Okay, for this device, this Osmo device, a gimbal, I made this. It's a piece of plastic pipe with a metal like a wire around it. I put it around my neck like this. Then I hook it in here. And I hook it in here. Now I have both hands free. See, now this device keeps it. Now I can handle it here. I can move it like this, move it like this, or up or down. This unit, as I said, I use it when I don't need both hands free. Okay, this is one of the gadgets for what I take videos with. Okay, let's look at the next one. Okay, this is just when I use this in my hand. You can see there's a record button and I can move the unit left and right. This is nice when you walk around or drive on a motorbike. Put this thing around my neck. You can move this thing. This is a nice device when you need some steady hand. Okay. Okay, this is my three-legged like a camera stand. I make all of these things. I made this type of, let's focus here nicely. Is this type of spring-loaded 1mm cold rolled sheet. I cut a sheet and you bend it and you put your phone in there. You just plug it in. I made this thing with the metal down here, and now you plug it in here. Okay, now you put this inside here and you put your phone here. Then you can move it and up and down as you want. Let me just put my phone in there. Okay, you can see I put my phone in there, and then this is how it goes in there. It clips in there, you push it in there. Now I can check from the back, and there's a camera in front. Then you can use this on the stand. Okay, the next one is, okay, this is the normal three-legged stand for my phone. I have the same type of thing here to clip in the phone. Look, there's the phone in there, and then you can make it stand and take a photo or do a video. There's a stand. Okay, now the next devices is, okay, this is just a close-up of this thing around my neck. This is a plumber pipe with a little bended wire around it. Okay, let's put it away. And then I have these things. As you know, it depends on your phone. You take a piece of metal. This is like a galvanized sheet, like a roof sheeting you use for flashing or what. I cut it out of there. Then depends on what you do. I made this plate with a little cutout here, and I bend it. Then you slide it in your phone. You slide it in your phone, and then it can enhance. For this your speaker on that side, and then this enhance your volume of your. You can hear better. It doesn't go to the back. It ricochets in the front, and then you can sit on your couch and then you watch videos, and then the sound's better. This one is just where for the camera cutout, and this is for the microphone, where the microphone is. Then if you take videos, then when the sound is better, then the sound goes in here and in your microphone. So you can make all these little things, and you just bend it and it clips around your phone. It slides in here. Let me just slide your one in quickly. Okay, this one is the best one. This one is the, see, there's it. So this one works quite nice with this little indent here for your cell phone. This one works like when you sit on the couch and you listen music or watch videos, and then the sound works nice. Okay, and then there's another one. Then you make yourself a metal wire stand, and then you put your phone on there like this, and you can put this in the side of your couch, and then you watch videos. You just put the thing on then, or you can put it like this way around when the controls is on the top and the volume is there, and you can just go and you can do whatever you like, watch YouTube videos with this sound enhancer. Okay, this is just show this DJ Osmo device also quickly. What I use, this is just you can see a lot of videos of this device on YouTube. It's a very nice thing just to help you steady your hand. You put your phone in there and it keeps it, it's like a gyro gimbal, and it keeps it steady, and you can control it from this side. There's an application you put on your phone, and you just press this button, and it, like with Bluetooth, switch on the your camera, and you can maneuver this with a joystick here. This is a nice device. It is just a piece of wood here, and then I fasten it here, and there's my cell phone here. If I do work here on for YouTube channel, and then I put my phone on this clip there, on this piece of wood here, to keep my phone, then I can get a picture from the top. So this is easy. Just fasten your little hood where you can get the thing here. You can see underneath there in a piece of aluminium channel. I can move it out, put it in here, and there's it. Okay, so here's the last one. And here's a clamp. I've got a clamp here. Then I clamp my phone on here, and there's just a piece of weight. It's a piece of metal, a pipe, end piece of a pipe. Then there's a mirror. I put a mirror here. Then I can check from the back on my phone if I work here, if I make a video, if it's still in the area here, if I don't go out of the view area. So this is also a nice one to have. You just make a clamp and put your phone in here. You can move it, and then it videos whatever you make a video of here. Okay, this is like more or less all my gadgets that I use to take YouTube videos. Okay, till next time, cheers.